Ayan guys, welcome back po muli sa aking YouTube channel. Sa videong ito guys ay nandito po tayo sa garden. Ayan, so napakaganda po ng garden ni Mr. Ayan, siya po talaga yung nagtanim ngayon ng ating mga gulay guys. Ayan. At kung mapapansin niya po, sobrang healthy, sobrang ganda po ng kanyang garden guys. Ayan, so every time po na nandyan po siya sa area, siya po ay nagko-cultivate, nagdadamo kasi gusto niya po talaga ay malinis yung garden at syempre ay maalagaan po ng maayos. Ayan, at kita nyo naman meron siyang mga mais dyan guys. Ayan, at nakapagitan nga po yan sa mga sitaw at napakarami din po ng tanim niya guys na sitaw. Ayan, so bali yung participation natin dyan sa garden ay tayo po yung nanguha ng mga buho na gapangan yan guys. Habang siya ay nagtatrabaho, ako naman ay nangunguha ng mga buho para po maging gapangan ng ating sitaw guys. Ayan, at syempre tinulungan ko din siya sa paggawa po ng mga balag na yan guys. Ayan, so hoping tayo na aani tayo sa mga gulay na ito guys ngayon. So ayan, syempre sa mga bago lang po sa aking channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-like and subscribe and comment down below. Hit niyo na rin po yung notification bell para po updated kayo every time na may bago po tayong upload. Ayan, so sobrang ganda pong tignan ng garden guys pag sabay-sabay na namumunga at namumulaklak yung inyong garden. Talagang napakasaya sa feeling, nakakawala ba ng ng stress at syempre ay nakakasaya na konting panahon na lang aani ka na at syempre ay hindi lang basta may uulamin ka, magkakaroon ka rin ng pagkakakitaan guys. Ayan, at kung mapapansin nyo po, nandun si Mr. sa dulo at kasalukuyan po siyang nagdadamo at the same time kinukultivate niya yung paligid po ng ating mga mais. Ayan.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
Ayan, at kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang malaga talaga siya guys sa kanyang mga gulay. Talagang gusto niya laging madamuhan at every time na wala po siyang trabaho ay nandito siya sa gulayan upang magdamo. Ayan, so napaka hands-on niya po talaga sa pag-aalaga po ng mga gulay. So yan yung kanyang pang-alis ng mga stress. Ayan.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You
Ayan guys, maraming salamat po sa panunood ninyo ng aking video at sana po ay patuloy na suportahan nyo po ang aking YouTube channel. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-like and subscribe, please like and subscribe na rin po kayo. At syempre po, sana po ay na-inspired ko kayo sa video ito at sana po ay ma-share nyo rin po sa iba upang mapanood din po nila.